In this video, I'll show you how to make all photos same length in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap New Project. Select all the photos you want to use in your slideshow or video edit, then tap Add to bring them into the timeline. Once the photos are added, CapCut will place each image one after another. By default, each photo may already have the same duration, but sometimes the timing can be different, especially if you added photos separately, used a template, or trimmed some images manually. To check the length of a photo, tap one photo in the timeline. Then look at the timeline and drag the edge of the photo clip left or right. Dragging the edge inward makes the photo shorter, and dragging it outward makes the photo longer. Now decide how long you want each photo to stay on screen. For example, you might want every photo to last 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or 5 seconds, depending on the style of your video. Tap the first photo and adjust its duration by dragging the right edge until it reaches the length you want. You can use the time marks on the timeline as a guide. Zoom in on the timeline with 2 fingers if you need more control. After setting the first photo, repeat the same process for the next photos. Tap each photo one by one, then drag the edge until it matches the same length as the first one. If your version of CapCut has a duration option, tap the photo, look for duration, and enter or choose the exact number of seconds. Then apply the same duration to each photo. Some versions may also show an apply to all option, which can set the same timing for multiple photos at once. If you added transitions between photos, remember that transitions can slightly affect how the timing feels. After changing the photo lengths, play the slideshow to make sure the transitions still look smooth. If your photos need to match music, listen to the beat and choose a duration that fits the rhythm. For example, changing photos every 1 or 2 beats can make the video feel more polished and synced. Before exporting, play the full project from the beginning. Check that each photo stays on screen for the same amount of time and that no image feels too fast or too slow. Once everything looks good, tap the export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.